off me? This is Henry. Say hi. Oh. Blue. No.
Ship herself.
Cheeseburger?
That's the last thing she needs.
This friendly creature is a beluga whale, and they are not only incredibly beautiful creatures, but also very intelligent.
Look at that. I know you can walk, dude.
So sorry.
Stop. Oh my goodness. I guess this should be helping you, not laughing.
No. Get over here.
Oh, whoa.
Gina. We've written a letter to the current princess.
He gets back in to do it again.
Lucy. Key treat.
Somebody once told me the world.
Putty. Oh, God.
All the other dogs are just fine. No snow. But this. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Bonnie, come here. Bonnie, come here. Oh my God, you.
Who's there? You guys saw Snowy.
Mimic, you are not a fucking husky. Get in the house.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help. Oh my. What the heck?
Oh my.
So are you making a snowman?
What are you doing? Griffin, sit.
Hey, Rory. Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
Please don't bite it. Please don't chew it. Please don't. Please don't. God.
L is for the way you look at me. O is
Do you like celery?
Simba, come here. Oh.
Ready, boy?
Everybody run! You'll never take me alive! Go, 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 Kenneth! I am, but the water's not getting any closer! Tsunami! Steven! What? Can't you see I'm busy? Here we go, yeah. You guys know that we're look at my wings! Look at my big black wings, they're so sexy! Picture will last longer!
Stop walking in front of me! Jesus!
Make way! Clear the runway! I'm coming in hot! Engines down! Fuel tank empty! Mayday! Mayday! I'm crying foul! This goose is cooked! I'm gonna have to Flintstone it! Oh, well that wasn't so bad. I really thought that was gonna be my swan song. Guys, I'm so excited! It's gonna be awesome, boys! Let's go! Holy crap! It's freezing! Oh my god! Back inside! I'm not a snowbird! Back inside! This is horrible, but I didn't wear enough layers! My duck nuts are freezing! Oh my god! Hey, Evan! What are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay.
O casal mais lindo do Brasil. Vocês são lindos demais.